Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muaz. I was previously in 46 page in the IELTS course. Actually, I came here today to take a mock test since we shifted from paper-based to computer-based. So I was surprised by seeing these setups of computer-based mock test, which was really amazing. I thought we will not have any computer-based mock test exams. However, it was really transformative. I couldn't believe that the faculty will change so fast. Actually, I thought that it will take much more time to set a proper environment of computer-based mock test, but it actually seems they really did it so fast. So it's a very positive change in English fantasy, and I'm really looking forward to seeing more and more improvement. And I believe in the future, English fantasy will exceed all of our IELTS course, IELTS centers. So basically, I enrolled in the IELTS course, and it has been 3 months of my journey, 2 months in English fantasy, and I started preparing myself for the IELTS takes, and it took 1 month. I think I'll be sitting on the test after Eid al-Fitr. I expect overall 8.5 because not only I believe that I can achieve that, but also my teachers are really motivating me that I can do it. And yes, I believe it is possible because the environment, it is really conducive. The expert teachers, I cannot explain teachers expertise because they are really like, you can imagine how expert they are. So it was really an easy path for me, and I got a really nice guidance, and I got everything I need. And I think it is enough for a student to get a desired score. And for my fellow students who are still learning in English fantasy, I suggest you that be consistent. The teachers, as I said, they are really expert. All you gotta do is listen to your teachers and follow what they say and believe in yourself. Remember, confidence is key. Without confidence, you cannot pursue your desired dream. And the students who will enroll in English fantasy in the future, I recommend you to come to English fantasy, see the environment, talk to the teachers,